Good morning, my dear students. First of all, we will discuss about coordinate geometry. Okay, some parents can ask why we didn't start with first unit. Some chapters can be handled through classroom interaction. So I'm starting with unit 5, coordinate geometry. First of all, you have to know what is meant by geometry. I think lower class la padichirpeenga. What's meant by geometry? First of all, study of shapes and its properties. Next, what's meant by coordinate geometry? Geometry, that is study of shapes with coordinates, with moving points x1, y1, x2, y2, and so on. That is coordinate geometry means study of shapes with coordinates. Okay, already in lower class that is in 9th standard you have studied about distance between the 2 points and midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is denoted as d, and the formula for finding distance between 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And midpoint of line segment joining 2 points, the symbol is denoted as m. The midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by m is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, in this section, in our 10th standard, we are going to introduce a new concept known as section formula. We are having two types in this section formula. One is internal division, another one is external division. Okay, section formula. What's the use of section formula? Okay, section formula என்ன பார்க்கலாம். Before that, for example, இப்போ ஃபேமிலியில் 2 பேர் இருக்கீங்க குழந்தைங்க. For example, brother and sister. இப்போ அம்மா வந்து ஒரு டெய்ரி மில்க் சாக்லேட் கொடுக்குறாங்க. If you are having a dairy milk chocolate given by your parents and your 2 members. For example, dairy milk chocolate 5 pieces இருக்கும். For example, we are having 5 pieces. சாக்லேட் கொடுத்து உங்கள் கையில் இந்த சாக்லேட் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? எப்படி மேக்ஸிமம் அவர் தாட் வில் பி வி ஹேவ் டு டேக் மேக்ஸிமம் சாக்லேட். பிரதர் ஆர் சிஸ்டர் உங்கள்கிட்ட கொடுக்கும்போது நமக்கு கொஞ்சமாச்சும் அதிகமாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஷேர் பண்ணுவோம். இட் இஸ் நேச்சுரல். ஓகே, for example, if you are having 5 pieces, this is a terminal point. This is a chocolate with 5 pieces, and if you are having 3 pieces, that is denoted as m. This one has 3 pieces, and this one is n denotes 2 pieces of chocolate. Okay, the 5 pieces la enna பண்ணுவோம், total 5 pieces, and the amount total 5 pieces, 3 pieces நாம எடுத்துட்டு 2 pieces brother or sister கொடுப்போம். ஓகே, இதுதான் நேச்சர். மேக்ஸிமம் சாக்லேட் நம்ம எடுக்கணும், கொஞ்சமாச்சும் அதிகமாக எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணணும், we will divide. That is here, P is a point which divides the line segment AB. Which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. M is to n is given by P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Section formula for internal division is if a point P of x comma y divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n, then the point P is given by this formula. Okay, இப்போ சாக்லேட் அப்படின்னும் போது பிட்வீனில் சம் பாயிண்டில் கட் பண்ணி ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குவோம். திஸ் இஸ் இன்டர்னல். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் in the same manner, if a point P divides internally, then we will have this formula plus mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, next external division means if a point P divides AB external in the ratio m is to n, then the formula P is given by mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n and my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Okay, external எங்கே சார் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் external division? Okay, for example, we will study deeply the concept. For example, in trigonometry, okay, I will give a small concept. For example, if you are taking camera, object, it will be in some distance. Object will be in some distance. Camera means we will have both lens and mirror. There is adjustment. Lens முன்னாடி இருக்கும், film of a camera will be back side, object will be front. Okay, இது film of a camera. This one is lens and this one is object. இதை நம்ம ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கணும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம், the object will be outside the camera. We have to take the photo. That means the point will be outside, which divides AB external in the ratio m is to n. Here m is nothing but for external and internal. For both, the distance between the dividing point and the first point is always m. See here, AP. P is a point which divides AB, and A is the first point. The distance is m, and distance between the dividing point and the second point is n. Here also the same, B and P. Okay, but always for external division the point P lies outside. For example, அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னேன். The point P lies outside the camera. இங்கே வந்து point, that is image, sorry, object lies outside the camera. Okay, that's why using coordinate geometry, if a point P divides externally, then the formula will be negative. There is minus mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. The same manner for y coordinate also. Next, centroid of a triangle. Okay, already studied about geometry already drop பண்ணிருப்பீங்க last year 9th standardல. Construct a triangle and its centroid 8th or 9th standard படிச்சிருப்போம். Here just we are going to find the coordinate of the centroid. If you are knowing the coordinates of the triangle A, B and C, that is E of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3. If you are knowing the coordinates of these three vertices of a triangle, then the centroid G is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Next, area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle, if you are having base and height, we know the formula. Area of triangle is half BH. அது ஹைட்டும் பேஸும் இருக்கும்போது நமக்கு half BH. Suppose here, you already சொல்லியிருக்கேன் coordinate geometry, we are going to study about coordinates, that is x1 y1 x2 y2 etc. That is x comma y. coordinates பற்றி தான் படிக்க போகிறோம். Okay, if you are having the coordinates of a triangle ABC, that is A of x1 y1 x2 y2 and C of x3 y3, then area of triangle is given by half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is a formula for finding area of triangle. Okay, here we have to choose x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. எந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸை சூஸ் பண்ணுறது? நமக்கு பாயிண்ட்ஸ் ஜென்ரலாக தான் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. we have to choose x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. எப்படி சூஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we have to roughly draw the diagram of a triangle and we have to take the coordinates in anti-clockwise direction. We have to take the coordinates in anti-clockwise direction. Why we are taking the coordinates in anti-clockwise direction? We are taking the coordinates in anti-clockwise direction because then only you can get the value of area of triangle in positive. Area of triangle will be positive. If you are taking a clockwise direction, if you are taking the coordinates in clockwise direction, the area will be negative. So only we have to take the coordinates in clockwise direction, sorry, anti-clockwise direction. That will be seen in our first problem. Okay, next another form of triangle will be area of triangle is equal to half of this formula, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x1 y1. Next, collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity of 3 or more points. Here we are going to study about only 3 points. Okay, what is meant by collinear? First of all, collinear means if 3 or more points lies on a same straight line. If 3 or more points lies on a same straight line, then the 3 points are said to be, that's the given points are said to be collinear. Okay, for example, here formula for finding collinearity is area of triangle must be 0. Do you know the area of a straight line? No, there will be no area for straight line because it is one dimensional. That's why if the points are collinear, then there will be no area for triangle. That's why we are using the condition area of triangle will be equal to 0 for collinearity. Next, as studied in triangle, area of quadrilateral will be half of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4 and x1 y1. Okay, here we will have 4 coordinates for area of quadrilateral and we have to choose. First we have to draw the rough graph. இங்கே வந்து கிராஃப் ஷீட்டில் நமக்கு தேவை கிடையாது. We are drawing roughly diagram for area of triangle as well as area of quadrilateral, and we have to take the coordinates in clockwise direction. We have to take the points in anti-clockwise direction. We have to take the points in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, next we will go for first problem. Find the area of triangle formed by the points. We are having 3 points, 1, -1, -4, 6 and -3, 5. We are having 4 points. So 3 points for area of triangle. First we have to make a rough diagram. Just draw a graph x, y, and we have to plot the points. First point is taken as A, second is B, and third one is C. Okay, first 1, -1. 1, just இங்கே வந்து நீங்கள் மார்க்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டாம், ஜஸ்ட் ரஃபாக ட்ரா பண்ணால் போதும். 1, -1, 1, -1. First point will be 1, -1. Next, second point -4, 6. -4, 6 approximately here. -4, 6. Third one is -3, -5. Oh, sorry. -4, 6. -4, 6. Second point. And third point -3, -5. -3, -5 approximately here. We have plotted the 3 points. Next, join all the 3 points. We'll have a triangle. Okay, நீங்கள் இங்கே எந்த பாயிண்ட்டை x1 y1 சூஸ் பண்ணுறது? We can take any points here as x1 y1. எந்த பாயிண்ட்டை வேணாலும் சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். After choosing, நான் எப்பயுமே என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன்னா, I'm taking the first point as x1 y1. This one is A, first point. Next, second point எதை சூஸ் பண்ணுறது? As told earlier, while studying formulas, we have to find the area in, and we have to take the coordinates in anti-clockwise direction. அப்போ first point, given point A நான் A எடுத்துகிறேன். That is first point x1 y1. After that, second point is nothing but anti-clockwise direction. That's in the direction anti-clockwise. Okay, அப்போ இந்த point B, second point, and the remaining third point will be C, anti-clockwise direction எடுத்துருக்கேன். Next, அப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட் தான் உங்களுக்கு x1 y1, இது x2 y2, and the third point is x3 y3. Just write down A is equal to A of x1 y1 is equal to first point 1, -1, and B of x2 y2 is -4, 6, and C of x3, y3 is -3, -5. -3, Next, we can use the formula, area of triangle formula. That is area of triangle. We can use any one form. ரெண்டு ஃபார்முலா கொடுத்துருக்கோம், அதில் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Area of triangle ABC is equal to half of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1. That is equal to half of x1 y1. மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம் x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. அதை அப்படியே நோட் பண்ணிடுங்க. x1 y1 1, -1, x2 y2 -4, 6, x3 y3 -3, -5. At last again x1 y1 1, -1. ஓகே, இங்கே வந்து நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we have to cross multiply first left top to right down. ஒரு சைடு ஆரோ மார்க் மட்டும் போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இது ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆட் பண்ணணும். தட் இஸ் half of within set bracket you have to use another bracket 1 and 6, 6. இந்த ஆரோ மார்க் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த ஆரோ மார்க்ஸை 1 and 6, 6. நெக்ஸ்ட் -1 into -4 is +4. இங்கே இருக்கிற எலமெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த ஆரோ மார்க்ஸ் சேம் சைடு ஆரோ மார்க்ஸை we have to add. Same side arrow mark, we have to multiply and add. 1 into 6 is 6, minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20, we have to add. Next, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Okay, இந்த side arrow marks add பண்ணியாச்சு. Close the bracket. After that you have to use a symbol minus of. Next, இந்த பக்கம் arrow mark போடாத ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆட் பண்ணும். minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. After that, close the set bracket. That's all. இந்த ஸ்டெப்பை மட்டும் போட்டால் போதும். அப்படிலாம் நீங்கள் இன்னொரு ஃபார்ம்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Both are same. That's equal to half of. We have to add within bracket first. 6, 26, 29. Minus 4 minus 18 is minus 14. Minus 14 minus 5 is minus 18. Minus 18. That is equal to 1 half of 29 minus into minus plus 18. That is equal to half of 29 plus 18, 47. 20, 30, 47. Sorry. 47. After that, you will divide, or which can be written as 47 by 2 square units. Okay.